So I had a bit of a technical difficulty there with the last example on page 2. So I'm going to take it from where we left off. So we had just said, okay, if it's 15 over 1, that's going to be equal to 15 is less than 5. And we said that was false. So that doesn't work. So 1 is not a solution, okay? 3, we tried that, and it said 5 is less than 5. So it looks like we're getting close, right? Because we eventually want it to be less than 5. But this is still false because 5 isn't less than 5. When we did it with 5, right, we increased it. I ended up with 3 was less than 5. That was finally true. So we had to think, okay, well, it looks like if we go less than 3, it's going to end up being a solution. Well, let's try it with 4 just to make sure. If I do 15 divided by 4, I know 4 fits in 3 times with 3 left over. So already I know it's going to be 3 point something, right? 3 point something. So if I do this, 4 times 7 would equal 28. So it's like 3.7. The answer is 3.7 dot, 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 like some other stuff. But what we say is, okay, 15 divided by 4 is 3.7 and some other stuff. Is that less than 5? Well, yeah. It doesn't matter how long that decimal goes on. It's still going to be less than 5. So it looks like this is true when f, well, it's not when it's 3, but it's when as soon as we go more than 3, when f is more than 3. So that's our solution. So when f is greater than 3, we've got a solution. Any of those numbers are going to work. All right. So basically, to wrap all this up, this video is short because I have already done it in the other one. To wrap all this up, a solution to an equation is any number that makes the equation true. So for example, we had in that first one, we had 3 plus g is equal to 15. The only time that was true was when g was 12. That was our solution. This is our solution to an equation. And equations only have one number that works for. Now with an inequality, this is the group of numbers. The group of numbers that make a true statement. So this is like one of our second examples, right? When we had 30 was greater than 2d, we said that this was going to be true whenever d is more than 15, right? Because if I do 2 times 16, sorry, we said it when it was less than, right? So if I said 2 times 10, right? That works because 2 times 10 is 20. So this is true, right? If I do when d is 5, that works as well. d is 5. That's going to work too. 30 is greater than, what's 2 times 5? It's 10. So that's why we said for inequalities, the solution is when d was less than 15. Any numbers less than 15 are going to end up working out.